All right, so I'm back down at the campground here. I just came down first thing this morning with my chainsaw, hacked everything apart, started busting everything out, and now I'm just kind of burning some wood over there, stockpiling, and then just doing a little cleanup. Like I said, I kind of want to evaluate what these boards are like, and then it looks like there's some railroad ties underneath that I want to maybe salvage and see if they're any good. Got two of them sticking out here. So they got like PCBs on them, so they should be pretty good. But anyway, gonna clean it up a little bit, let this fire burn down a bit. Don't want to get it out of control. Alright, so we're just looking underneath the deck here. Alright, so they do look like they're pressure treated 2x6s. Could be regular spruce, it's hard to say, but just by the way it's kind of holding up, I want to believe it's pressure treated. Alright, so we're going to start working on this stump today. Start digging around it. Make sure that we can get all the roots exposed where we can cut them back at a decent level. And then we'll get rid of the stump altogether. We'll worry about that other one over there, down the road, but this is the one we're going to concentrate on now. See what we can do. Alright, so I've just exposed all the roots that I can kind of get access to that'll be below ground level. Just took a wire brush to them because I might just kind of touch the edges with a chainsaw and then use my bow saw to finish cutting it all apart. But I think we'll call her, let her dry out for the day.